Coach RC, one of the most memorable coaches during the M6 World Championship, is no longer with Falcon Esports na Myanmar. You know what it is? Hands in. I felt like I saw this coming. Given na yung mga recent interviews sa Falcon Esports was sobrang kinayod nila yung 2024 kasi nag-RG sila ng nag-RG ng walang pahinga. Siguro sa ibang mga tao, iniisip nila na, ay, naglalaro lang naman sila. Di ba parang ang dali nun? Imagine ikaw nakatuto ka lang sa phone mo, nakatuto ka lang sa laptop mo for at least 12 hours. There's gonna be a lot of headaches, migraines, sickness. Yung mga ganong klase ng bagay ba? Pero syempre, kung player ka, kung coach ka, iindahin mo lahat ng yun para sa pangarap. And I felt like that's exactly what we saw from Coach RC and the rookies of Falcon Esports na naging successful sila sa pagbabalik ng Myanmar sa world stage ng MLBB. I mean, it's been there, but what I'm talking about is yung reputasyon ba nila bilang country, bilang region. In spite of all of the things that are happening there, Coach RC, Coach Nyo,